Hello. Hi. What's your name? My name is Christina. What's your name? I am Nisini. Do you like Sri Lanka? Yes, I love it. Are you visiting Ambuluwava? Yes, it is very nice here. We came from Spoken English Academy. We are here to practice our English. Oh, that's great. Your English is very good. Thank you, Christina. Have you eaten Sri Lankan food? Not yet. What can I try? Try kottu, poppers, roti and lunumiris, rice and curry. They are yummy. I will. Thank you, Nisani. You are welcome and enjoy time in Sri Lanka. Sure. Nice to meet you, Nisini. This is for you. Wow. Thanks, Nisi. Bye-bye.